I'm back and today I'll show you the products without the covering. Okay, so this is the Brava paste, non-alcoholic paste. It is a skin friendly paste. I have a two-piece bag over here. So this is the Coloplast plate. Okay, since the stoma that we are dealing with is an oval shape and also a big one. This is a 70 mm plate. Okay, so it looks like this, 70. Alright, there is an opening over here from here. Okay, so you need to remove the covering. Then this is the bag, a two-piece bag. This is how it looks like with a lock system right here. Okay, if you see, this is the pouch. Okay, so you do a 3-fold over here, and then you just, after doing the 3-fold, 1, 2 and 3, it comes to this, and you need to lock it from here. This is how it is. Sorry, I'm being clumsy because I'm holding the camera in one hand. Okay, so this is how it goes. And there is a filter over here. This is the filter, so that any gas, your bag doesn't fluff up. Okay, the gas is let out from this filter. Okay, we have these special scissors over here, curved scissors. Can you see this? It's not like a normal scissor, it is curved, so it helps in cutting the stoma plate. Okay, in a curved shape. If you cut it with a normal scissor, then the sides may be sharp and it may hurt the skin, but with the curve that you can see here on the scissor, it's very helpful. There is Coloplast tape. Okay, this is used before you put the plate. So as per the stoma size, you need to cut it. Okay, so since we have used this today, you can see that a lot of it has been used. This is a waterproof elastic tape. So after everything is done, after you put the pouch and the plate, after you put the bag, you can put this over the bag, as in it goes like this. So this goes on the sides, okay, on your stomach, above the plate. You need to remove the sticker. Okay, then this is the barrier cream, skin friendly barrier cream. The remover spray. These are actually small bottles and we may need to order them because this is very important. We also have the ostomy powder here. This is a must. Okay, for facial rashes. And a micropore adhesive tape would help. If you have this, it's not a necessity, but it will help stick your belt and the bag in place. Okay, you can put it after you've done the entire process of putting the bag. So just take a piece of tape and stick it over. Okay, so the plate over here that you can see, it's like this, but when you know how big your stoma is, you can cut it in a shape with the scissor. Like for example, this is the cut part. Okay, so I've kept this to show you all. Okay, you can keep always remember that nobody will tell you this, but you need to keep this the first time that your stomach care or coloplast care person comes and visits you and cuts this in this size. You need to keep this plate. We didn't have this plate, and that was the biggest mistake that we did. So now when the nurse came to visit us, I made sure that I keep this so that next time we can do this by ourselves. Please don't panic. Okay, this is a very simple process. And last time I also showed you about this. I had not opened this, the covering. Okay, if you see this, like an apron I had mentioned. Okay, so it's quite big. It goes like this. So it's like a belt